Easy English Basics. Lesson 1. Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Essentials, a beginner's guide. I'm Anna, and I'm thrilled to embark on this journey with you. Whether you're learning English for the first time or just brushing up on the basics, this series will equip you with the foundational skills you need. Let's dive in. The alphabet and pronunciation. First things first, the English alphabet. It consists of 26 letters, divided into vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and the rest are consonants. Proper pronunciation is your key to effective communication. The English alphabet is a Latin script alphabet consisting of 26 letters. Here they are, listed in their standard order: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These letters are used to write words in English, with each letter representing one or more specific sounds. The letters can appear in two forms: uppercase, capital letters, and lowercase. Here are both forms for comparison. The English alphabet is used not only for writing words but also for acronyms, abbreviations, and as a means to encode information in numerical and symbolic forms. In the English alphabet, the letters are divided into vowels and consonants. The distinction is based on the sounds these letters represent and how they are produced in speech. Vowels. The vowels in the English alphabet are A, E, I, O, U. Sometimes, Y is also considered a vowel, depending on its use in a word. For example, in the word myth, Y serves as a vowel, but in yellow, it's a consonant. Vowels can represent a variety of sounds, and in English, they can be particularly complex due to the wide range of vowel sounds and the use of diphthongs, when two vowel sounds are connected in one syllable, like in coin. Consonants. The consonants in the English alphabet include B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y. Sometimes, when it functions as a consonant, and Z. Consonants are characterized by a constriction or closure at one or more points in the vocal tract, which modifies the flow of air from the lungs and shapes the sound produced. The division into vowels and consonants is fundamental to phonetics and the study of languages, as it helps in understanding and analyzing the structure and behavior of languages in terms of sound production.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and share to receive more videos like this in the future.
Basic vocabulary. Building your vocabulary starts with the basics. This is an apple. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Repeat after me. Basic vocabulary typically refers to words that are essential for communication in everyday situations. Here's a list of basic vocabulary words that cover a range of categories. Greetings and politeness. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Colors. Red, blue, green, yellow, orange, purple, black, white, brown, and pink. Family. Mother, father, brother, sister, son, daughter, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, and uncle. Food and drink. Food, water, bread, rice, milk, coffee, tea, fruit, vegetable, and meat. Days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Places: home, school, work, park, store, hospital, restaurant, bank, library, beach. These are just a few examples of basic vocabulary words that are useful for everyday communication. Learning and mastering these words can provide a solid foundation for language learners. Basic grammar. Grammar is the backbone of English. Let's start with present simple tense, used for routines and facts. For instance, I eat breakfast every morning. The verb eat is in its base form because it's a fact about me. Practicing everyday conversations helps you apply what you've learned. Let's pretend I'm ordering coffee. Can I have a coffee, please? Simple and polite. Now, let's talk about the weather. Nice weather today, isn't it? Consistency is key when learning English. Practice a little every day, read books, listen to music, watch movies in English, and try speaking with friends. Don't be afraid of making mistakes, they're part of learning. That's a wrap on our introduction to English essentials. Remember, this is just the beginning. Stay curious, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to ask questions. See you in our next lesson, where we'll dive deeper into the wonderful world of English. Happy learning!